There are two simple methods. One uses your Roku remote for a soft reboot, and the other works without a remote by doing a manual reset. Let's walk through both options step by step. Method 1. Rebooting with the remote. If your TV is unresponsive but you still have the remote handy, you can use a hidden button combination to restart it. Here's how. Press the home button on your Roku remote 5 times. Press the up arrow once. Press the rewind button 2 times. Press the fast forward button 2 times. You'll need to do this sequence fairly quickly. Once entered, you may see your Roku TV begin to respond on its own. Be patient. It will turn off, restart, and then come back on. This is a soft reboot, and it usually clears up freezing, slow navigation, or other minor glitches. Method 2. Rebooting without the remote. If you don't have the remote or your TV simply won't power on properly, you can still reset it manually. Look at the back or side of your Roku TV. You should find a small reset button or pinhole. Use a paperclip or something similar to press and hold the button inside. Keep it pressed for about 10 seconds. Your TV will fully reset and restart. Keep in mind that this method performs a factory reset, meaning your settings and logins may be cleared, so you'll need to set up your TV again afterward. That's it. Subscribe, like, share, and comment if you have any question.